In marriage, love is caring. Caring relationship. You care for the one you love. And that is very important. In marriage, love is self-giving. You give yourself to the one you love.
This vow is actually not for you. I'm not making a commitment to you, but I'm making a commitment to our God in front of Him, because if I make a commitment to you, I will not be successful for that commitment.
We've been together for 5 years, then separated, and then got back to each other. When we get back, we finally decided to get married. Most of all, parang ikaw ang sagot sa dasal ng mami ko.
Sa araw na to, I'm making a commitment to God to be a good or a supportive wife, and I will always be here for you. And also, whatever happens to you,
Kaya mula ngayon, yung palalimin nyo yung pagkakaunawa nyo ng pag-ibig na sa pag-aasawa, it is a commitment. That commitment is not a commitment for a certain period of time. It is not a commitment that will last. It is a commitment for life.
We walked through valleys and we've walked on mountaintops, looking for rivers. Once we almost stopped.
Ay, video ba? Siya, ko, si Miss San Pablo.
Rizal, proxyan mo na lang ako. Ano proxy?
We felt the hunger and we felt the pain, thirsting for water and praying for rain. I'm glad we kept on walking. Here's to today, here's to tomorrow, here's to our love from which we will borrow. Here's to forever, to you and to me. Here's to tasting the sun, 'cause the best is yet to come. The best is yet to come.
I'll cherish this moment. I will definitely love you, and whatever is your goals, our goals, I'll be behind you, beside you, not in front of you. I love you, Ione Tyler Datu.
I don't care, though I know my world will fall, as suddenly my heart whispered and made me realize how much I love you.
What we feel inside, let's keep on chasing. Here's to today, and here's to tomorrow. Here's to our love, from which we will borrow. And here's to forever, to you and to me. Here's to tasting the
Meaning this afternoon, you made a decision. The decision to become one flesh. And that decision is binded by love. And that love should be for life.